So now we'll see how to enhance color using Vibrance. So let's take another picture from here. Okay, let me take this this one. I'll just take this one only. Okay, and I'll go to the adjustment panel. Okay, and on the adjustment panel you can see here I did use the levels, and I hope you guys have understood how we can use the level. And now I want to create a vibrance, or like I want to enhance color using vibrance. Okay, so once I click on this, like this panel is on top of here. So under once I click vibrance, I do have two particular option. Okay, one is vibrance and another one is saturation. So instead of saturation, I can also use vibrance, so there won't be no problem at all. Okay, so here, as you can see, once I'm using the vibrance, uh, the background color, it changes. Okay, you can see. And if I'm using saturation, you can see the change in color as well. You can see the change in the background as well. So I don't have to use, if I'm using vibrance, I don't have to use the saturation. And here I can use the saturation as I want. Okay, or the vibrance. Okay, I can use the vibrance from here. And if I want to particularly put any number from here, like if I do have anything, like suppose I do have a same kind of image, and the same kind of image I wanna put the same kind of value here, that it will look good. Or I do have a requirement to put a particular kind of a value here, so I can put it from here as well. As I do have the option from here, I can directly write. Okay, as you can see, I do have the layer masking option as well. Okay, I will be explaining you guys all this later, but now we are solely focusing on how we can actually adjust layers and how we can adjust colors. Okay, so I hope you guys have understood the difference and understood how we can use actually the vibrance and the saturation. Okay, here you can see like the background color, it quite changes. Here you can see it becomes dull, and once I go on top, it becomes kind of dark. Here you can see I can change the level of saturation on the background here, that it focuses on the primary object. So here in this, the primary object is the shoe, so it solely focuses on that. Okay, so I hope this class was quite clear for you. Okay, and hope to see you all in the next tutorial, where I'll be explaining you guys about how we can change the color of something, like using the hue. I'll be explaining you what hue is. Okay, and let's move on to that particular class now. Okay,